This is my latest journal. I found this beautiful lace at a flea market in France. You can make your own tags using these digitals from my Etsy shop, as well as the papers that you see here as background. This week I prepared some digitals, and you can find these papers there too. So you can cut them apart and decorate your journals. I found this beautiful lace at a flea market in France. These nice tags are also to be found on my Etsy shop. Just download, print, and use them as you wish. This is a mini tag, super cute. For this digital, I use original French documents, and I added some flowers and this nice picture. Here you see again the nice lace and nice papers. I did a bookmark here with the documents that I have on my Etsy shop, and I added some ink in the edges so it looks older than what it is. I print this, by the way, I print all this on a nice handmade paper, and the color is not white, it's like kind of creamy, so it looks much older. Here I put some scraps of paper which are printed with roses. The paper is super thin, it's also handmade, and it's just beautiful. Bookmark, and I think it looks super cute.
Not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Here's some mini envelopes with super cute, super mini pictures.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now.
Here you see around the page 4 different type of laces. This is a bell. When you open it and tie it, you can hang it and make a nice decoration with it. Super nice envelope, too, again with some paper goodies inside.
All I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. down beside you, I would. When nothing really
Thank you so much
matters,
for watching.
that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe.